Hello, SAT math people. Today we're going to work on a rate problem. Okay, let's do some math. A freight train and a passenger train start toward each other at the same time from two towns that are 500 miles apart. After 3 hours, the trains are still 80 miles apart. If the average rate of speed of the passenger train is 20 miles per hour faster than the average rate of speed of the freight train, what is the average rate of speed in miles per hour of the freight train? Okay, so let's let x equal the rate of speed of the freight train. And I'm going to draw a little table on the right-hand side, which is rate times time equals distance. So we're going to do that. This is for the freight train. We have the rate is x miles per hour of the freight train, and it's 3 hours. And so x times 3 is the distance, so that's 3x. Okay, so that's the freight train. I just labeled it. And then the passenger train goes 20 miles per hour faster than the freight train. So we're going to say x plus 20 is the rate, still the same number of hours, 3. And then if you multiply 3 times x plus 20, don't forget to put the parentheses there. It's 3 times the quantity x plus 20. Okay, now I want to show you a little graph I made of how much distance the two trains have traveled in 3 hours. So it's 500, and after 3 hours, they're 80 miles apart. So if you look at the distance, the 500, and subtract out that 80, then you get 420 miles in 3 hours. And that's important that it's 3 hours because everything is in 3 hours. So what we can do then is we can take the distance of the freight train, which is 3x, plus the distance of the passenger train, which is 3 times the quantity x plus 20, and add that to the distance of the total distance in 3 hours. Okay. And then we can solve for x. So we must distribute that 3 and to take the parentheses off. So we get 3x plus 3x plus 60, 3 times 20, equals 420. 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus 60 equals 420. Subtract 60 from both sides, and we get 6x equals 360. Divide both sides by 6, and we get x equals 60 miles per hour. And the answer is D.